Do not touch the artist, ever. You gotta come wherever the artist is. So I'm not gonna tell you where am I gonna come in. You just have to come around me like you're not surprised where all of a sudden I am. Come to me. Okay. Why was I falling left and right? Because of you guys. You do not touch the artist unless it's choreographed. Yeah, does that make sense? So come to me. I'm not mad at all. I'm just like, that's a good exercise. I forgot to tell you that, you know what I mean? And you don't have to just all touch me. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was that better? Yeah, does that make sense? Let's do it one more time so that it's equal. You also have a good video, okay? Without me doing this at the end. Cool? All right, here we go.